So I was working on a Japanese tool video when what to my wondering eyes did appear but the FedEx man. Remove calendar from transport cardboard box. Okay. This is the 2024 Wera Advent Calendar. Spoiler alert, I am going to show everything that's in this. Okay, so that's what was inside. I really don't know why people would need a spoiler alert because they put the contents of it on the box. I suppose the only spoiler would be what's behind each day. So let's see here. I think I can sort of solve that problem. I'll just go like this. There, I'll shuffle these around so that you can't guess what days it is. Okay. I'm really excited about this piece. All right. Wera salt and pepper shakers. Okay. I gotta look at these salt and pepper shakers. Pull to open. Okay, so that's how you fill them. Just like that. Okay, then that snaps on there. Cool. So there's a closer look at the bottle opener. That's pretty cool. Sockets, we get 8, 10, and 13. Seems like they could have put more sockets here. Yeah, for sure. I mean, man, they could put a lot more here. Let's just play along here. So this is an 815. The 815 is bigger than the 813. So it is different from the typical bit check. The typical bit check comes with the 813. Yeah, the 813 doesn't even fit in that one. This one is specifically for the 815. So this piece is pretty cool. So it is identical. It's identical to the bit ratchet. Well, that's the magnetism from this. So they don't have the laser etching here. Yeah, this makes a nice handle for that. That's pretty cool. C6. C6 locks into that. E6 gets a little sloppy, but what a cool little piece. This one, oh, this one has clip and magnet retention. So this bit holder, spring clip and magnet retention in it. They don't even do that on the handle. That's just a magnet. So these back here are shallow and these are deep. So Phillips and posi and a flat. Okay, we get this adapter, though these are always nice to have. Hex plus in 3, 4, 5, and 6. 10, 15, 20, and 25 Torx. That's a pretty neat little set. I don't really need the posi drive in there. Let's see here. Hey, let me see if the PB Swiss fits in here. I don't really use posi, but these are the sizes for my radio control car. Oh, they fit in there. So these PB Swiss bits fit in there. Yes. So that's the size for RC car pinion gears, and this is the size for typically most of the hex hardware on an RC car body. So now I just need a number 7 socket right here for the wheel nuts on an RC car. Yeah, I could take that spring off there, but I could swap that 8 out for a 7. So any of these bits in this bit check will fit in this back row. Any bits in this length will fit in this front row. So 2 smaller sockets would fit in here, or 1 more big one. So that's another option for modification. That's pretty cool, I like that. Alright, so the salt and pepper shaker. Okay, this is for this. Okay, this can go here. So, salt and pepper, or Salz and Pfeffer. It seems like these are made to fit into something. Are these made to fit into some kind of a little stand? Like a little salt and pepper stand that you would put on a table? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe they're just made to look like a bolster. I mean, yeah, so these are pretty much exactly the size of the stubby. Fun. This is a fun set. That's neat. But I bought this on Amazon DE because I was shopping on Labor Day. It was available and it would ship. So I bought it. I checked KC Tool first. KC Tool did not have it up on their website for purchase on Labor Day. The day after Labor Day, KC Tool had it up for sale, but I had already ordered mine and it already shipped from Amazon DE. Buy yours from KC Tool if you can, because I paid more for this from Amazon DE with the cheapest shipping. So this was just the standard shipping. Priority DHL was not available on this item. Otherwise I would have chosen the expensive shipping and I would have had it last week. And I would have done this video last week. I paid more buying it from Amazon DE. I'm going to give you affiliate links for Amazon DE and KC Tool. My advice is if you're in the United States, check KC Tool first. If KC Tool is sold out, then check the Amazon DE link, or comparison shop. I would have gotten a better deal with KC Tool if I would have waited one more day. And in fact, I would have got it sooner from KC Tool, because I'm sure they would have shipped it out that day or the next day, and I would have had it last week. Any use of my affiliate links is greatly appreciated. I am working on Japan tool videos. You know how YouTube works. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.